Ever opened Pawns.app trying to make that quick survey cache and boom, no surveys in sight? Let me break down why this happens and how to fix it. Survey availability can be a little weird sometimes, but there's a reason behind it. So what's really going on when your survey tab looks empty? Here's the deal. Surveys come from companies that are looking for feedback from specific types of people, like where you live, your age, job, habits, that kind of stuff. It's the feedback they need to improve their products and services. For example, a kids brand might only be interested in hearing from parents, while a software company would probably target someone working in the IT industry. So if you match what they're looking for, boom, survey appears. If not, it's quiet time. How much does your location matter? Well, quite a bit actually. Some places get more surveys, others get fewer. Companies usually want to hear from people in specific regions, and honestly, it makes sense. If a brand only sells snacks or tools in the US, why would they want feedback from people in Europe, right? So every survey has its own target audience, but here's the good news. There are a few easy ways to improve your survey availability. So let's talk about solutions. If you want more surveys to show up, here are a few tips that can help you out. Number 1, be honest and consistent. Seriously, honesty is your best friend. If your answers seem inconsistent, companies might stop sending you surveys. So be honest when taking the quick qualification survey and keep it real and consistent every time you get a new one. Staying true to your answers helps build trust and keeps those surveys coming on in. Number 2, check Pawns.app often. Surveys come and go fast, as each one has a limited number of spots, so what's available this morning might be gone by tonight. That's why you need to be opening the app a few times a day so you never miss a chance to earn. 3, keep Pawns.app updated. Updates aren't just about fixing bugs. They bring cool improvements that help surveys reach the right people and make the app run smoother. So make sure you're always using the latest version of Pawns.app for better survey matching without glitches. 4, try it while traveling. Heading out of town or traveling abroad, don't forget to open Pawns.app. Since location plays a big role in survey availability, you might start seeing ones that weren't showing up at home, so don't sleep on it while you're on the go. 5, don't use a VPN. Pawns.app needs your actual IP to match you with the right surveys, so if you've got a VPN on, turn it off so you don't confuse the system and lose out on surveys. And while you're waiting for your next survey to show up, take advantage of the other fast and easy ways to make money on Pawns.app, such as the following: playing games, sharing internet, taking fun quests and challenges. So next time you open the app and see crickets and nothing, don't stress. Just stay honest, keep checking in, and stay active to keep your cash flowing. Your next survey could be just around the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips on making extra cash with Pawns.app, and drop a comment if you've got questions or tips of your own. And if you want to know how much money you can earn just by taking surveys on your phone, this video could be useful and is up next.